Hello everyone, welcome back to Naina Tech. In today's video, I will explain about SAP HANA Database on the public cloud, which covers subscription of SAP HANA Cloud on the BTP and user management and creating roles and groups, including upgrade of HANA Database. I have divided the video in many steps. One is create a new subscription for SAP HANA Cloud with a service plan, and second is assign a role collection to user account, then deploy an SAP HANA Cloud Database instance, and complete basic setup for user creation, and increase the high availability for SAP HANA Cloud, change the backup retention time, and activate external access for SAP HANA Cloud, and upgrade an SAP HANA Cloud database, create database admin role with privileges, and then finally create a personal database admin user and assign a role. And tune in till the end because these tasks are asked in the SAP HANA database certification. Now, this is a BTP overview, BTP sub account overview. You can go to instance and subscriptions. Okay, now there is no SAP HANA Cloud, so first we have to subscribe the HANA Cloud. So we have to go to Service Marketplace, then you search for SAP HANA. You can see here SAP HANA Cloud. Then click on this three dots button and click on Create. Now you can see services SAP HANA Cloud, and you have to choose the plan. What I said is initially we will choose the subscription tools, and SAP HANA Cloud and plan is tools. Then we'll click on create. Now your request to create a new subscription has been submitted. So creation in progress. Click on close. Now you can go to instance and subscription. Then here you can see SAP HANA Cloud under the plan tools is created or subscribed. Let's go to the second part of the video, that is assign role collection to the user account. That means to perform any task on the SAP HANA Cloud, for example, deploying a database instance, you should be have a role collection to your admin account. For example, what I logged in as this account, I have to assign a role collection to this user to perform the admin task for the database. So for that, we will go to the role collection. Sorry, you can go to the users, and then you can choose your user here. Then go to role collection and click on these three dots and go to assign role collection. Then here you can search for the role SAP HANA Cloud Administrator. So what is the description is create, update, delete access to the SAP HANA Cloud services. And I will choose this role, and you like this is the mandatory role, and if you want you can choose this one as well, but it's not mandatory. Okay, so to perform any database related task, this role is the mandatory. Click on as a role collection. So assignment is added now. Now let us go to the third part of the video, that is the deploy SAP HANA database instance. Click on instance and subscription. Click on SAP HANA Cloud. Now this is the SAP HANA Cloud Central cockpit. Now you can click on create instance. So here you can see there are two options, HANA database or data lake. But I will choose a HANA database and configure manually. Click on next step. Here you have to give the instance name. For example, I will give the instance name as testdb. Then you can give the password for dbadmin. Here you can see to create the database instance, these are the default configurations. You can see here memory is 16 GB and compute is 1 CPU, storage 80 GB, initially replica is 0. So these are the parameters or memory configuration, CPU configurations available for the HANA database instance for the free trial. Click on next step. So this is, you can see here memory. This is the CPU compute memory ratio 1:16, and this is the 16 GB, and you can see here storage 80 GB, and CPU is 1 CPU. For replica, it is 0 for free tier, but standard edition you can see here, like you can increase the replicas. Click on next step. Is the HANA database connection configurations. You can choose as per your requirement only IP addresses from Cloud Foundry in this BTP region, or you can choose all IP addresses. Okay, I will choose all IP addresses. And if you want to connect from on-prem, you can choose a cloud connector, enable cloud connector. And here also you can see all IP addresses. Click on next step. This is the version for HANA database. I will choose the lower version because I'm going to upgrade the database, so I will choose the lower version. And these are optional. If you want these features, you can enable it. Click on next step. Data lake. So if you want to create the data lake for this HANA database, you can choose it. You can enable this option, otherwise you can disable it, and click on the review and create. This is the summary, so you have to review whatever you entered in the previous screens, and click on create instance. Now you can see the database is database instance is creating, and it's starting the database. Now you can see database is started and running, and you can see one alert here. The instance version is out of maintenance because we have selected the old version of the database. Let's go to the next part of the video, that is complete basic setup for user group management. Click on the database overview and click on user groups. Here click on create user group. uh, Test admin group, and group creator can manage the group. Yes, click on the check mark and give the description as admin group. Click on save. Here you can maintain password policy and all other configuration for this user group. Now I will create another user group as a technical user group. So click on create user group, give the name test tech group, technical user group as the description, and click on group creator can manage the group and click on save. And I will create one more user group as for the normal users. Click on create user group and give the name as test normal group, normal user group as description. And here you just uncheck this one because this normal user group should not manage this group, right? So click on like uncheck this group, this check mark, and click on the save button. So here three user groups are created: test admin group, test normal group, and test technical group. Let's go to the next part of the video, that is increase high availability for SAP HANA Cloud. Click on database overview, and you have to click the manage configuration and go to availability zone. Here you have to add the replica availability zone. You can see here deploying replica is not available for the free tier instance. So if it is standard instance, you can create the replica for this database, and for free tier instance, this option is disabled. So the thing is, you have to click on add replica, and you have to choose the replication mode, synchronous or asynchronous, and you have to provide the availability zone. So you can create n number of replica nodes. uh, Add replica for one is for synchronous and another for asynchronous for the DR purpose. Let us go to next part of the video, that is activate external access to SAP HANA Cloud. You have to go to the connections, and cloud connector should be enabled, and we already enabled during the deployment of the HANA database. And now you can see here instance ID, SQL endpoints, landscape, and API endpoints. So these endpoints we can configure for the external access, maybe from the on-premise systems, or any external access you can access through these API endpoints. Let's go to the next part of the video, that is upgrade SAP HANA Database Instance. The HANA Database overview. Here, click on these three dots, and you have to click the option upgrade. Now you can see here, this is the newer version. Okay, this is the latest version of the HANA Database version. Before that, you can see here the current version is 2025 2835. Okay, QRC 3 2025. Now the new version will be 2025.40. Okay, dot latest QRC 4 2025. Click on upgrade. Now you can see the status is changed to upgrading. Now you can see the status is running, and version is updated to 2025 40 29. That is the latest one. So HANA database updated successfully to the latest version. You can see the alert also, that alert with the error was like it's disappeared. Now you can see new database version was available for the instances. Let's move on to the next part of the video, that is create database admin role with system privileges. Click on the database overview. Now click on the roles. So these are the standard roles available in the database. Click on create role. Give the role name and click on assign role to myself, because this is the admin role. So you have to enable this check mark and click on create. Now role is created as test admin role. Now we will add the, click on the privileges, system privileges, and click on edit system privileges. Here click on add. So these are the system privileges available in the HANA database. So we will assign few of the system privileges to the admin role: agent admin, audit operator, backup operator, catalog read, and uh, monitor admin, role admin, and click select, and these privileges added to the uh, test admin role. Click on save. Now let's move on to the final part of the video, that is create a database admin user and assign a role. Click on database overview. Click on users. So there is one user available in the database. Click on create user. Username is test admin. You can give the validity as well. And user group, I will choose a test admin group. So these users we created in the previous sessions. I will choose a test admin group, and if you want you can put any email ID. Click on save. Now user test admin is created. Now we need to assign the role to the this user. So click on role assignment. Click on edit assign roles. Click on add. You can choose the role which we created. Choose test admin role. Click on select and click on save button. Now user is created and the role is assigned to the test admin user. That's it guys. If you like the video, you can hit like, share, and subscribe to Nahina Tech. Thank you for watching Nahina Tech.